Hello guys, good evening all of you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Anyhow guys, this week you have to write JE and medical paper, chemical bonding chapter.
Sir, can we have it next week?
Friday, okay? I will
So can
conduct
we
test
do
on
it
Friday.
Next week, middle, sir.
Can you keep it like next week Friday?
Next week Friday.
Yes, sir, our
For them
exams are
exams
going
there,
on,
sir.
Sir, our
sir.
exams are going on, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, for us also in KB they are giving suddenly tests, sir. That's why.
They are not informing you before.
No,
3
sir.
days.
They're telling
No,
for
sir.
2 days. 2 days before 40 mark test they are telling, sir.
Oh.
Tomorrow
Sir,
also I have
Fridays-
maths test.
Hmm. Okay. Right, somebody. Kinetic molecular theory of gases. Listen. We know gases having some properties. You know very well about those properties. Gases having a low density and easily compressible. Gases we can compress very easily, and also having uh, diffusion property. Effusion also it is a property. These are normal properties in our daily life. Also, we are observing this about the properties of gases. There, I'm talking about simple properties: compressibility, low density, easily moving gas. One can move from one place to other place, and diffusion, effusion. These are the gases properties of gases, and some gas laws we already discussed. They are given practically. Boyle's law, Charles law. These. However, to explain these all properties and gas laws, we need a one theory. We know what are the properties and what are gas laws, but we don't have till now the better theory. Not now, okay. Before 50 or no 100 years back, we don't have a proper theory to explain these properties and gas laws. In 17th century, in the beginning of 17th, I mean, year is 1738. The scientist Bernoulli, he put forward a theory to explain those properties of gases. However, further it was developed by other scientists, and finally, in 1857, Clausius completed this theory, and to the theory name is given kinetic theory of gases. Okay, we will see what are those postulates under kinetic molecular theory of gases. First
So,
point
which
is,
chapter are you starting after this one?
after this, thermodynamics. The gas is made up of a large number of small particles. Those are we are calling gas molecules. So now gas is made up of large number of
So do we write this?
No, later I will give notes. Large number of small molecules or small particles, we are calling now those molecules. The second point is the gap between the gas molecule is very large. That's what we can compress gases very easily, right? Gas is having compressible property. We can compress easily gas because in between the gas molecules, a large gap is present. That's what we can easily compress. Next point. The interaction between the gaseous molecule is negligible. You know that property also. The interaction between gas molecules is negligible. That's why only gas molecule can move freely from one place to another place. That is only the reason why gaseous substances not having a rigid shape. If you take any chair, table, about anything, these are solid substances. Here particles are very close to each other. That's why it maintains one particular shape. But in between gaseous molecules, very weak. We are neglecting the interaction between the gas molecules. That's what it not having any particular rigid shape. Next point is the gravity. The gravity on gas molecule is negligible, right? You know that's what only gas can move from. Lower level also gas is present, in higher level also gas is present. Next, the gas molecules are always moving. They are in a random direction. Gas molecules moves in random direction, and while they are moving, they can collide each other, and also they can collide with walls of a container. So here, this is the gas molecule in a closed container. So gas molecule can collide each other, or sometimes mostly they are colliding with the walls of the container also. Because of this collisions between the gas molecules and the collision with the walls of a container, gases can cause pressure. Next, the collision between the gas molecules is perfectly elastic. This chapter completed about collisions, friction, physics.
We learn collisions, sir. We didn't.
We'll learn it soon, sir.
You learn
Yes, sir,
already.
we'll
Transfer
learn.
energy is going on.
Okay. So if
No,
the
sir,
collisions
not
are
fully.
perfectly elastic, means there is no loss of energy, right? If two bodies are
Yes, sir. Momentum
colliding
is
each other, suppose that is a perfectly elastic collision, there is no loss of energy. Just energy is transformed from one body to another body. Suppose this is the gas molecule moving with very slowly. This gas molecule is moving with very fastly, and they collide this one. This one it is collide. Then the energy is transferred to this gas molecule. Now this gas molecule is moving very fastly and may collide with another gas molecule. So overall, here just energy is transformed from one molecule to another molecule. Overall, there is no loss of energy. That's what we are calling here. It is a perfectly elastic collision between the gas molecule. This is only responsible for gas molecules do not settle down. So if you take some gas in a container, that gas, it won't settle down, right? If you take sand in water, it settle down. Or any solid materials, even some liquid substances also, high dense substances goes and settle down. But gas molecules are not settled down. They are always in motion. Because if the collision between the gas molecule is, suppose it is not perfectly elastic, when the gas molecule collides, it loses energy. When molecules loses energy, what happens? Just they settle down. And further, it do not cause any pressure also. Is it happening in our cooking cylinders? Just think.
No, sir.
We are
No,
taking
it
a
doesn't happen.
cylinder, just pinhole is top. But until to complete the gas, until its gas is coming out only, it is not settling down. Always gas molecules are colliding with the walls of a container, and between the among the molecules, some interaction, collisions happens, but it won't loses energy. If it lose energy, they settle down. They won't lose energy. Always energy is transformed. That's what we are calling it is a perfectly elastic collision. And then in a container, gas molecules, all gas molecule not having the same velocity. You know, now from this observation, you can tell some gas molecules having low velocity, some gas molecule medium, some gas molecules are moving with high velocities. So overall, all gas molecules do not possess same velocity. But
And
however, yeah.
velocity depends on temperature, right?
What?
That velocity, different velocity depends on the temperature, right, of the different
No.
molecule.
Overall, the substance, entire substance maintaining at same temperature. If you maintain at 25 degrees centigrade, all gas molecules all are at 25 degrees centigrade only. But here energy is transforming. You have to think always gas molecule is in motion and collisions happens and they are colliding with the walls of the container. So all gas molecules do not possess same velocity.
So I
Okay.
have one doubt that for example, you take the gas cylinder itself. So in the gas cylinder, same molecules will be there, there, right?
Yeah.
So then at maintain same temperature, how can same kind of molecules have different velocity at same temperature?
Same kind of, okay, at different temperature because of collisions. You have to think that I'm telling it about collision. Because of these collisions, its energy is different. They are not all gases not maintaining same velocity. That's what we are taking average velocity. So we are taking average velocity, or we can call average kinetic energy of gas molecules. No, kinetic energy and velocity both are directly proportional to kinetic energy or average kinetic energy. Energy of gases directly proportional to temperature. So overall, if you increase the temperature, velocity of gas molecules increases. So obviously kinetic energy increased. And temperature decreases, its kinetic energy decreases, and the gas molecules slowly settle down. It will become liquefied. But however, all gas molecules do not possess same velocity. Just mind that one. That's what we are using the word average velocity or average kinetic energy. We are later in this concept only. I will introduce two more terms. One is RMS velocity and most probable velocity. Okay, we'll discuss about this type of velocities later. So this is about kinetic molecular theory of gases. Based on these assumptions, we can explain the properties of gases. So once again, listen, the first in examination, very important question. This is mostly asking for 3 marks or sometimes 2 marks also asking. Minimum you have to write 6 points. And further, it is much useful for competitive level also. Based on these points, we are deducing some formulas. And what are the mistakes in this kinetic molecular theory also? We are raising 2 points. Based on the 2 points only, we are giving a real gas equation. Okay, anyhow, in this, I will tell you later what are the 2 mistakes here in this molecular theory. But in examination, you have to write as it is. Don't tell here, these both are mistakes and you don't correct these points. Okay, the first point is, gaseous substance is made up of a large number of small molecules. The second point, in between the gas molecule, there is a large gap. And the interaction, third point, the interaction between the gas molecules are negligible. And fourth point, the effect of gravity on gas molecule also negligible. Next, fifth point, gas molecules are always in moving with different velocities and in random directions. Whenever these gas molecules are collide with the walls of the containers, it exerts pressure. The next point is about average velocity or average kinetic energy. The average kinetic energy of the gas molecule is directly proportional to temperature. Okay, that's all. Note down these points.
Sir,
Yes,
what is the significance of this theory?
say it loudly. Hello.
Sir, what is the significance of this theory?
Significance is already we discussed on the properties of gases. To explain that properties and the gas laws, they are given how is the behavior of gas, how is the structure of how is a gaseous substance molecular structure. That's given here. Because of this assumptions only, we can explain why the gas molecules are compressible. Why gas molecules we can compressible? One factor is in between the gas molecule is very weak interactions are negligible, And also in between gas molecule and gas molecule, there is a large gap. That's what we can compress easily, right? And why gases are exerting pressure? Gases causes pressure. Why it exerts pressure? Because gas molecules are colliding with the walls of a container, or in among the gas molecules also some collisions happens. That's what it exerts pressure. Okay, and why gases having low density? You can say very easily now. Why gases have low density?
Due to large amount of gas.
Yeah, even though substance is small, it can occupy large space. Density is mass by volume, right? So if you take little amount of gas also, it occupies large space. That's what it having the low density. And also you can explain here interaction between the gas molecule also weak. Yes.
So can you repeat why gases have low density?
Because even you take a small amount of gas, it occupies a large volume, right? Gas molecules occupies large volume. That's what it having the low density. And another explanation is in solid substance, gas molecules are closely packed because of strong interactions. But in gaseous molecules, in between the gas molecules, large gap and weak interactions are there. That's what they are very, very, very loosely packed gaseous substance. That's what it have low density. Here tightly packed, that's what high density. Right. General properties of gases such as expansibility.
So this is the first point.
No. First small theory. After that, I will give you points. Compressibility. Liquefaction. Low density. Diffusion or effusion, etc. Have been observed experimentally. Have been observed experimentally. Similarly, various gas laws such as Boyle's law, Charles' law, etc. have been obtained on the basis of experimental studies. to explain these properties and gas laws, theoretically Clausius introduced. Kinetic molecular theory of gas. Main postulates of kinetic molecular theory. First point. Every gas is made up of large number of extremely small particles. Extremely small particles called molecules. All the molecules of a particular gas.
There is a liquefaction.
Yeah, liquefaction, not liquefaction, don't write liquefaction. All the molecules of a particular gas are identical in mass and size. In mass and size. And differ in this from the gas to gas. From gas to gas.
So what's the last line?
Last line is in mass, identical in mass and size, and differ in this from gas to gas. Differ in this from gas to gas. Okay, the next point. The molecules of the gas are separated from each other by large distance. So that the actual volume of the molecule is negligible. As compared to the total volume of the gas. The distance of separation between the molecules between the molecules are so large that the force of attraction or repulsion between them are negligible. The force of gravitation on the molecules is also supposed to be negligible. The molecules are supposed to be moving continuously in different directions with different velocities. In different directions with different velocities. Hence, they keep on colliding with one another as well as on the walls of the containing vessel. Next point, the pressure exerted on the walls of the containing vessel pressure exerted
So in the previous point, last line, it should be hence they keep on colliding with one another as well as on the walls of the
walls of
vessel.
the containing vessel. Yeah, and the gas which is containing in vessel. No, that's what we're writing, containing vessel. Exerted on the walls of the containing vessel is due to the bombardment of the molecules bombardment of the molecules on the walls of the containing vessel. On the walls of the vessel. Next point, the molecules are supposed to be perfectly elastic, hard spheres, so that no energy is wasted when the molecules collide. With one another or with the walls of the vessel. The energy may, however, be transferred be transferred from some molecule to the other on collision. Last point. Since the molecules are moving with different velocities, they possess different kinetic energies. Different kinetic energies. However, the average kinetic energy of the molecules of a gas It's directly proportional to the absolute temperature of the gas. Okay, next. Subheading Maxwell distribution of molecular speeds or energies.
Sir, is this a subheading or main heading?
Subheading only. So under kinetic molecular theory, under this only we are giving this.
Sir, don't erase the last point.
8th point, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, listen now. Okay. We are maintaining one particular temperature. At particular temperature, we are taking the gaseous substance. We know here all gas molecules not having the same velocity. So molecules are moving with the different velocities in different directions. But however, in this gas molecule, some of the gas molecules possess low velocity. Some of the molecule possess very high velocity. Some of the molecules maintain somewhat average, I mean, should not call average velocity, maintain some moderate velocity, right? So all the molecules do not possess same speed at particular temperature. Different molecules having different velocities. Mainly because of, what is the reason why all molecules are not possessing same velocity?
Sir, collisions.
Because of collisions among the molecules and walls of the container. These molecules colliding each other or colliding with the walls of the container. That's what molecular speeds are changes. Suppose here I'm taking the three molecules, gas molecules moving with high velocity. Here are the molecules moving with very low velocity. Here are the molecules moving with somewhat medium velocity. They are moving. So this molecule colliding with this, and this molecule maybe collide with this is colliding, and this colliding with this. So different collisions happens. So in these cases, high velocity molecule maybe further may increase its velocity or maybe decreases. Or here low velocity molecules are there that is colliding with high velocity molecule. Here some of energies may be transferred to that molecule. This molecule energy further increases. So that's what molecules in a gaseous substance do not possess same velocity. Molecules having different velocity. But however, the fraction of the molecules which are possessing particular velocity is a constant. So the fraction of the molecules which possess particular speed is constant. That is only we are calling most probable velocity. So this point is given by the scientist Maxwell, and another scientist is Boltzmann. Maxwell and Boltzmann. So that's what we are calling Maxwell, Boltzmann, curves. Now I am giving you curves. Carefully observe this. Fraction of molecules. Here temperature. What temperature is a molecular speed. So we know at particular temperature we took some gas, some molecules of the gas having very low velocity, some molecules having very high velocity. So see this point. So here, this point, this range indicates molecules which are possessing with low velocity. This point indicates molecules which are possessing with high velocity. But what about this point? This point. This point we are calling most probable velocity. The fraction of the molecules possess a particular velocity. That velocity only we are calling most probable velocity. So suppose, just listen one example. Suppose in a classroom 20 students are there. In this, 2 students or 3 students got very less marks. They got only 30% of marks. 6 students got 98% marks, and remaining 11 students got 84% of marks. So which marks we are calling most probable marks?
Sir,
84%.
Most probable marks. 84%, right? Most of the students got 84%. Like here, this speed we are calling most probable velocity. So the maximum fraction of molecules possessed velocity we are calling most probable velocity. So here this range indicates molecules which are possessing low velocity. Here indicating molecules which are possessing with high velocity. But here that particular velocity, of course, the medium velocity only, that is possessed by the maximum fraction of molecule. That velocity we are calling most probable velocity. Anything doubt about most probable velocity?
So what exactly?
Maximum fraction
So
of
I have a
molecule.
doubt.
Yeah. Tell me.
Can you hear?
Yes, yes. Say loudly.
So what exactly do you mean by fraction of molecules? I
Okay,
didn't
okay.
understand.
Listen. In a container, I'm taking 1,000 gas molecules. Total is 1,000 gas molecules. $70 molecules possess low velocity, that is 2 meters per second. 200 molecules possessing with 3 meters per second. 600 molecules possessing with 5 meters per second. Then 300 molecules. No, not that much. Okay, 50 molecules possessing with 6 meters per second. And then 80 molecules which are possessing with 8 meters per second. Okay. See, we have total 1,000 molecules, 1,000 gas molecules in a container. Here, just 20 molecules are possessing with very low velocity. Okay, these 200 molecules are possessing with 3 meters per second. So it's somewhat better. 600 molecules are possessing with 5 meters per second. And 50 and here molecules are possessing with somewhat high velocities. So here most probable velocity is the maximum fraction of molecules possessing velocity only we are calling most probable velocity. So here maximum fraction of molecule is this one. Out of 1,000 gas molecules, 600 gas molecules are possessing 5 meters per second. This 5 meters per second only we are calling most probable velocity.
Okay, so
Got it now, point?
Yeah. So one more thing. The different molecules will have different velocities.
Yes.
So after a time interval, the velocity of the system will keep increasing, right? It won't reach a maximum level.
No, it won't reach maximum level. It maintains same initially, however, but the gas molecule, suppose one gas molecule initially have high velocity, maybe at particular time, maybe after 1 second or 2 seconds, that gas molecule velocity maybe decreases, but other gas molecule velocity increases. But overall, fraction of molecules maintains particular velocity.
Okay, sir, got it.
This is at T1 temperature, maintaining T1 temperature. Now we are increasing temperature. If you increase the temperature, what happens? Increase the temperature, velocity of a molecule, gas molecule.
Sir,
increases. So nothing but kinetic energy also, gas molecule increases. That's what now most of the molecule possessing high velocity, not very high velocity.
So probability will be less.
Hello?
Yes, sir. So the probability of finding is less, sir.
Probability of finding?
This velocity is less.
Yeah. The probability of possessing this most probable velocity possessing is molecules will decreases. That's what happens. The peak become broaden out. So careful. This line is the first one is okay. 1 minute. So I have to give peak here. This is the line. The fraction of the molecules which are possessing most probable velocities may be decreased, but their velocity is here increased. You have to find out this point here. If you increase the temperature, the gas molecules velocity increases. But however, the most probable velocity possessing that fraction of molecules is decreased, initially very high at low temperature. Now temperature is increased, T2 is the higher than T1. The molecules which are possessing most probable velocity, that fraction is decreased. But here peak became broadened out, means most of the molecules are possessing somewhat better velocity compared to initial. So in examination, they are mostly asking about the graph. Is the graph become broadened out, or will give bigger peak, or the fraction of the molecules are increases with possessing most probable velocity, or the fraction of molecules possess low velocity. They are giving different options based on this graph. Okay, any doubt about this?
Sir, can you
So this is
explain
now
the graph again?
this
I'm
is
not
now
able to
most
see.
probable velocity. Think ma. At T1 temperature, this point is most probable velocity. This point. At T2 temperature, this is the most probable velocity.
So shall we draw this?
Yeah. Must. So most probable velocity here increased, but the fraction of the molecules which are possessing, that fraction is decreased with increase of temperature. First, draw this graph. This point and this points are most probable velocities. Write about this. At particular temperature, so fraction of molecules we are denoting with the delta n by n. At particular temperature, the different molecules of a gas
So that's delta n by
n, sorry, different speeds. Different speeds. Further, due to continuation collision of the molecules among themselves. As well as against the walls of the container.
So in the second line,
Hello, Ananya?
different molecules of a gas at so in the second molecules of a gas at different speeds, right?
Different speeds. Possess different speeds. Walls of the container. Their speed keep on changing. Maxwell and Boltzmann.
Sir, should we draw that?
Yes. However, showed that as a result of collisions, through some molecules are speed up, some molecules are speed up, some other are slowed down. Some others are slowed down. And hence the fraction of the molecules possess particular speed remains constant. Remains constant at constant temperature.
Sir,
Hmm.
can you just see in the third last line?
Yeah.
Something
As a result of collisions through
seems
some
wrong.
molecules are speeded up, some other are slowed down. Some molecules are speeded up, some others are slowed down. Okay, now about graph. The peak of the curve corresponds to a speed possessed by the maximum fraction of the molecules and is called the most probable speed. It's called the most probable speed. With the rise in temperature, the rise in temperature, the most probable speed increases. The most probable speed increases. But the fraction of the molecule, molecules possessing most probable speed the fraction of the molecules possessing most probable speed decreases. It's a very important point.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, now we know that T1 is having lesser temperature compared to T2, no, sir?
T1 is less temperature, yes.
Sir, what if another temperature is there, T3, which is way lower than T?
Yeah. Suppose T3 is there. T1. Okay, what? T3 is higher or lower temperature?
Sir, very low, very low.
Very low, then peak comes here. Very low. T3 greater than T2 greater than T1 comes like this. But what
Sir,
happens? This peak maybe it becomes more peak, but here the velocity is low velocity it having.
Sir, but when T3 is lower temperature, no, sir, time won't it show a straight line?
What?
Sir, when temperature is way lower compared to T1 and T2, then the curve will be a straight line, no, sir.
Why curve becomes straight line? Molecular. That's what. Listen, molecular speed maybe decreases. How comes then curve? Comes maybe like this. So yeah, okay, it comes like this here. Peak may be giving higher level, but its speed is very less. No, at low temperature speed is very less, but curve is coming higher level. That means most of the molecules are possessing low velocity. Think practically, gas having high velocities, and if you decrease the temperature, a gas becomes liquid, right? That's what we are calling liquefaction. Their velocity is decreased, no?
Yes, sir, exactly. So then the curve will just, after some time, it will just become a straight line, no, sir, passing through origin.
Straight line passing through
Yes,
origin
sir,
means with
because,
x-axis or y-axis? What you are telling? Y-axis, right?
sir, the curve will become
Y-axis.
straight. Sir, it will become y-axis because it will become solid.
Yes, it becomes, we are talking about at minus 273 degrees centigrade. If you take in such temperatures, it gives just a straight line it gives.
Yes,
Speeds will become ceases out. Okay, this is about Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution curves. Careful. This point is most important for competitive level, mostly asking, and most probable speed is board level also asking what is most probable speed definition. Okay, now complete. All of you noted that point?
Sir, don't erase the last point. That is the way.
So now I will give you one equation. That equation is deduced from the kinetic molecule theory of gas. Their assumptions are given now. Based on that assumptions, one equation is given. How we have PV is equal to nRT. Here also we have one equation. Okay, so complete the last point.
Yes, sir. Most probable speed.
This one. submitting kinetic gas equation. Right. On the basis of various assumptions, on the basis of various assumptions, made in the kinetic theory of gases, a mathematical
After the
equation.
class,
Yes.
did you explain anything?
No. Just I'm giving notes, right? Mathematical equation has been derived. From which all the gas laws can be deduced. All the gas laws can be deduced. This equation is known as kinetic gas equation.
Sir?
Yes?
Sir, so these equations don't 100% work in real life.
100%?
Sir, these equations don't work 100%, no, sir.
Sorry, I'm not clear. Tell me once again.
Sir, these equations don't work 100%.
It won't work 100%. Yes. In assumptions, there are given a kinetic gas equation. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Kinetic gas theory. There are some assumptions are wrong assumptions are made. Because of that, this equation won't give correct results. So that equation is PV is equal to one by 3 small m small n u square. You also write small. This is only RMS velocity. PV is equal to 1 by 3 mn u square. So where P is equal to pressure of gas, V is equal to volume of gas, M is equal to mass of gas molecule, N is the number of gas molecules. Don't write N is number of moles. Here N is the number of gas molecules. U V is equal to RMS velocity. Root means square speed. Shortcut we are writing RMS.
Negative.
Hello?
So in the equation, it's minus power of -2 or 2.
Sorry, no, it's not
steady
clear. 1 by 3 mn u square. Hello.
Sir, she's saying that the power is negative.
No, not negative. Don't write negative. Mn u square only, not negative.
Okay.
Okay, so small modification from this equation to this, and suppose n is equal to Avogadro number. Suppose n is equal to Avogadro number, and instead of Mn we may write now capital M, molar mass of gas. See, if n is equal to 1 mole, then Mn, small mn equal to molar mass. That is, you can write capital M. Again, write equation. If n is equal to 1 mole, then Mn is equal to molar mass. So instead of Mn, we can write capital M. Then PV is equal to 1 by 3 capital M U square. So now U square is equal to 3 PV by M. U is equal to square root of 3 PV by M. U is equal to root 3 RT by M. For 1 mole of ideal gas. For 1 mole of ideal gas, PV is equal to RT, right? So that's what instead of PV I wrote RT.
Sir, what is U?
RMS velocity. Root mean square speed. So the velocity of gases are given in 3 ways, and that is theoretically they explained most probable velocity, like root mean square speed velocity and average velocity. So we have formula. This is only formula for RMS velocity, and we have definitions. Next class I will give you for the speeds of that most probable speed, root mean square speed, average speed, and how is the relation between these. That's very, very important points. Competitive, mostly they are directly asking the questions based on this, and average velocity, most probable velocity. Okay, further modification of this formula. We know one formula, D is equal to PM by RT. D is equal to PM by RT. So now 1 by D is equal to RT by PM.
Sir, RT by M is equal to 1 by PD, no, sir?
What? Yeah, M by, no. We want, we know this is formula already we derived. D is equal to PM by RT. Right? This formula we derived already.
Yes,
so
sir, yes,
if you
sir.
write 1 by D, it give RT by M. 1 by D is equal to RT by M. So you can write now P by D is equal to RT by M. So instead of RT by M, now you can write P by D. So U is equal to root of 3 P by D. But this all formula, this all are formulas only. It is useful. There's a based on given information in the formula, we can use here any formula. Since D is equal to PM by RT, P by D is equal to RT by M.
Sir?
Yes?
Sir, is there derivation?
Which derivation?
Sir, this formula.
This is okay. That this first beginning one formula you gave, no, that is not giving in this level. It is giving in higher standards. Derivation of kinetic gas equation. PV is equal to 1 by 3 mnu square.
Sir, that's it for today, sir.
Yeah, it's completed. And next class I will give you remaining concept. Well, guys, already I gave you assignment. In that assignment, I gave only NCERT questions of this chapter. I think in two or three classes I will complete this chapter.
Okay.
By the time you have to complete assignment also. Okay, thank you.
Sir?
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Sir, only NCERT questions, right?
Only NCERT questions. Already, yeah, only 20 or 22 questions are there. I think 10 or 15 questions related concepts already completed. Only 5 or 6 questions relevant only left. That I will complete by this week. I gave you time. Next week, Tuesday, you have to submit the assignment. By the time, I will complete your syllabus also.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me, Bhargav.
Sir, like our exams are getting over on 21st. So can I submit on 21st? You're given due date as 20th. So can I submit it on 21st?
Okay, 21st. Okay, I will change time also after 21st.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Tomorrow, somebody asked for extra class. Is that Bhargav, you only?
Yeah, sir. We have chemistry test on Thursday.
You and?
I think Risha also asked.
Risha also. Okay, once you confirm.
Okay, sir.
Okay, send
Sir,
me.
I'll send a message to her, sir.
Okay. By tomorrow you confirm.
Okay, sir.
One class I will take by 4 o'clock tomorrow evening.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.